Thanks for tuning in to Snake Diet Larry's Powerlifting channel. I want to start with a question for you guys to start doing a little bit of your own research. Would there be an insulin response if you drank a glass of water? What is the hormonal response that the body has to food? How many glands are there in the body? What exactly does it mean to be insulin resistant? These are just some of the questions that you have to start understanding in order to understand what it is exactly that you're attempting to do on the snake diet or any diet. When you take on a dietary change, when you try to understand, when you attempt to understand the human body, you need more than just sitting back and thinking without any sort of outside help. You have to do research. You have to do it. How else are you going to know, right? You got to investigate. It's funny because this video I'm making right now was inspired by two people. One was a viewer that I'm going to get to in a second who wants to understand how to complete the snake diet, and the other was a person that I hadn't met for a long time. Somebody that I went to high school with. I ran into again the other day. Yesterday, and this person was talking about what I'm just talking about, which is the hormonal response to food. He was a person who never had to, who it was very hard for him to gain weight. He could eat anything he wanted and he couldn't gain weight at all. But he developed a heart condition, and the doctor put him on medications that he can't get off of now. Well, he could get off one particular medication. I can't remember what the name of it is, but if he goes cold turkey off this medication, the chances of him having a heart attack go through the roof. So he would have to very carefully wean himself off this medication. But it's generally believed by physicians that once they put this person on this particular heart medication, that person's on that medication for life. So because of this medication that he's taking, now he can gain weight very easily. Well, why is it that the medication makes it possible for him to gain weight easily? I asked him, I said, well, did it affect your thyroid at all? Your thyroid gland? And he said, yeah, actually the doctors are watching my thyroid gland very, very carefully, because the thyroid gland is one of the glands that regulates body fat. And just so I'm not talking out of my rear end, I'm going to read about the thyroid. See, getting that research in, right? Thyroid gland, here we go. Thyroid gland, what it does. Okay? Your thyroid influences many vital functions, including heart rate, blood pressure, and more. Read these 8 facts to better understand thyroid and thyroid disease. Okay. Wait a minute, hold on, there's an even simpler. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate the body's metabolic rate, as well as heart and digestive function, muscle control, brain development, mood, and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depends on having a good supply of iodine from the diet. Iodine you find in table salt. Food, right? Food affects your hormones. How are you going to do any dietary protocol if you just sit back and do it passively? You have to involve yourself in the process deeply. The deeper you involve yourself in the process, the better your results. Okay? Even if you can't draw worth a damn, and someone asks you to draw, I don't know, a fruit display, and they give you oil paints and canvas. Even if you can't paint worth a squirt, if you just spend 5 minutes on it and try to get it all and try to do it in 5 minutes, it's going to look like crap. But if you, with the horrible painting ability, sets aside 3 to 4 hours each day for a couple of days or a week, and you put everything you have into making that oil painting shine, you'll get better at being a painter, and you'll get way more out of the process. And you'll accomplish way more, and when you sit and think about what you did, you'll understand exactly what you did better. You'll understand a little bit of what it means to be a painter, right? So when I am asking people, when I'm starting off this video, asking people a question for them to go out and investigate, I mean for them to do just that if they want to improve themselves. Not for me, it's for you, right? Okay, second thing is, somebody asked me, how do I complete the snake diet when I have a high intensity job? I'm assuming that this high intensity job, what they're referring to is a very stressful job. Maybe they're working a lot of hours. Well, to that person I say, I haven't learned to complete the snake diet. I haven't learned to complete the snake diet. I've learned how to do the snake diet. It's not something that you complete. It's a lifestyle. Nothing is complete, right? Nothing is complete. The Grand Canyon is one of the world's natural wonders, but it's not complete. The Colorado River made the Grand Canyon. The wind made the Grand Canyon. The rain made the Grand Canyon. Time, under these factors, made the Grand Canyon. We want more control over our bodies. We want more control over the change we want to see. Here's the next question. Can you do a 3 to 5 day fast? Eat a small meal, go into another 3 to 5 day fast. Can you do 3 to 5 of these fasts? And then step back. And make a decision about how intensely you want the snake diet to be part of your life, or if you want to do it at all. But you're never going to complete the snake diet. It's not something that you complete like a building or a puzzle. It's a fasting protocol. It's a way to operate the human machine. It's a way to see if you need medical attention. It's a way to see how out of balance your endocrine system, your hormones are. Okay? So to wrap it up, everything you eat, there's a hormonal response. Everything, even plain water, makes you produce some sort of insulin. So it makes you it gives you an insulin response. Even drinking plain water gives you some kind of insulin response. Why is insulin so important when we talk about the snake diet? Why is insulin so important when we talk about dieting? Nothing stays the same. It's always changing. You don't complete the snake diet. You just try it out and see if it's for you. Okay. Video's gone long. I need to get to the gym. I need to start training. Today's a big day. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share the videos. And I thank you if you do that. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye.